Hi everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and we have a super simple, super sweet mindfulness meditation to help you start your day. So grab a blanket or a pillow to sit on if you like, and let's get started. All right, my darling friends, good morning. We're going to begin in a nice, comfortable, seated position of your choice. So you can come onto the ground, sit on a pillow or a blanket or a towel. You can also do this sitting up nice and tall at the edge of your couch or a chair. But we do want to come into a position in which we can begin to sit up nice and tall through the spine. And then begin to relax your shoulders, settle in. And wherever the hands fall naturally, embrace that. So explore what feels good today. Palms face up, palms close in to your center, maybe hands together in your lap. Maybe you take a mudra. So just start to listen to your body. This is going to be important as we set ourselves up to have an awesome day, present with what is, open-minded, available for whatever the universe has in store. Take a moment to begin to notice your breath, and as you do that, soften your gaze or close your eyes. So we're sitting up tall. Closing the eyes despite maybe feeling a little sleepy, don't worry. And we're gently beginning to deepen the breath. And as you're ready, nice and slow, you're going to drop your chin to your chest. And then lift your nose up towards the sky. Slow and steady, dropping the chin. And then nose to the heavens. Start to sync up with nice, full, conscious breaths. Nodding the head. And then bring it back to center stillness, and you're just going to take it in the opposite direction now, side to side. Excuse me. Taking your nose to the left and to the right. Nice and easy. Then come back to center, reset, sit up nice and tall, close your eyes or soften your gaze. And you're going to take your hands now to your belly, just nice, gentle hand to belly connection. Begin to breathe downward into your hands. Nice, full, conscious breath in. Belly expands. Nice, mindful, slow exhalation. Navel draws in. Then keep the hands there, or you can replace them back to your knees or your thighs. Whatever feels best this morning, today. But continue the full diaphragmatic breath. Waking up with each inhale and surrendering with each exhale. See if you can allow this conscious breathing to affect your mood, to affect this posture. Make adjustments as needed. But then each time you do, mindfully return to the sound of your breath, to the quality of your breath. Soften through the skin of the face and the jaw. Just be present here in the moment. And remember, how you move matters. So pay attention to the way in which you slowly draw your palms together. Anjali Mudra. A gentle, reverent bow of head to heart here. And an opportunity for you to set an intention for your day. It can be a sentence, it can be a quality, something to be conscious of. Not something on your to-do list, but a sensation, an energy, an intention that you can move with throughout the rest of your day. Then breathe a little deeper, more fully, and repeat your intention. And if you can't settle on one, simply choose love. I choose love. Whatever came up today, embrace it fully. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Once more, inhale lots of love in and exhale lots of love out. Slowly release the hands, flutter your eyelashes open, tap into a little inner smile, and have an amazing day. Namaste.